Okay, very nice. I started. Hello, everybody. Uh, we are starting the stream. Today we're gonna do some stuff. I guess interesting or not, depends. Well, also, I guess some people will have questions, and I will be happy to answer them. In I mean, you can ask them in the chat, and I will try to answer them using my voice, most likely. And yeah, Zach, you also, so it would be nice if you also will help me, to check the chat sometimes, and also don't disable your microphone. I don't want to be alone in this chat for now, at least, you know. Okay. Wait, what? Yeah. Well. I don't even remember its current state after the merge. We'll see. Okay. I will need to try. The things I wanted to try today is to check the stuff that Tiller made with models, the implementations of things that Mayu provided, like they were discussed in the chat. And also I want to try, remember with Dava we found out the way to use speed. I mean, to fetch the speed via vCollector. I mean, it's kind of hacky also, but I wanna fetch and apply it, and then try to use. Actually, I wanna apply the speed and see how it will work with interpolation of entities. Very fun. Then let's start. Are you, by the way, are you watching the stream or are you just in the chat? Okay. Just checking if you could see what I'm. What? Oh no, I need to change the resolution. Also, remember last time we tried to fix the bugs with resolution stuff, but with yeah, well, I still haven't figured out why the pointer was null in the time when it wasn't supposed to be a null. Well, fuck. What resolution do I need? Okay, wait. I need to change it properly. Where was it? Steam. Here we go. Mafia. Where is it? Oh, wait, Mafia is on the disk C. I remember. Okay, Steam program files, Steam. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh. That's interesting. I haven't started Mafia like even once with Steam itself without anything else. Right, and now it tries to install DirectX and stuff. That's unexpected. Yeah, it was needed. I mean, how else would you? Okay, it's too small. Oh yeah, also remember about the stuff that we talked about with tasks, or not tasks, but commands, I guess. It was add command. Still, like, I guess we need to discuss this a bit more because I. Okay, so that what does do we have this? What do we have there? I guess still that disable it. I was too lazy for this. Oh yeah, I forgot to disable the takeover control stuff. Or did I say? I don't even remember. I should have disabled it. No, I mean it was somewhere, someday I did it, but I forgot where and why and how. Some people say that I'm screaming on the stream. Is it true? Okay, I'm gonna make myself not that loud. Okay, sorry. Mi scusi. Oh, I know why I might scream. I mean, this should be better. Is it better? Is it better now? Okay. Should be around. Yeah. Okay. What is this? Oh, this is our round stuff. I guess we don't need it anymore. Fract round. Oh, by the way, Tilda have made these wrappers around the model creation. Basically, car is now create entity and with providing type and model, and now it will do stuff. You know, it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. I mean, now these methods are so thin, right? It's like if you need to destroy some or create or oh yeah. Okay, I need to fix this. I need to fix, where was it? Vehicle. Oh, Okay, okay. Still. Oh wait. Okay, that's right. Uh, I will try now to actually add the speed stuff. Oh, oh. I wanna see how our interpolation for setting car positions will work with actually setting the model speed itself. How it will handle it, you know. Oh look, the game placed these cars almost in the same positions. That's cool. Well, I mean, yeah, it's not exactly this place. Oh, I know that what happened. I know what happened. Basically, I went out of the stream zone. It's about yeah. Gonna close one instance and debug another. It will be. Oh wait, it's inside Mafia 2. No. Wait, was it there? I thought it was like inside. Because related to the going outside of stream zone, you know, stuff. But I guess it's not gonna this. We'll see. Okay. It's entering. Okay. Okay. No, there are no NPCs on city streets for now. It's just like my current game mode looks like this, but actually there will be no NPCs. I mean, definitely at the start when we're gonna do the basic version, the the first release, we'll have all the streets empty, no NPCs, because you know it's kind of hard to synchronize them, and we don't have all the needed stuff for that yet. Okay. So it crashes, as far as Stilder told me, when someone tries to disconnect. Did he actually add the button? Debug. No, he didn't. Okay. Yeah, it looks cool, but you know, um, we also would love to have to have this feature. But for now, we just need to make at least the core stable. You know, the core itself. Maybe later on we will be able to add it, but for now it's not possible. Let's see. Yep, crashes. So crashed on one client that actually disconnected, right? Or yeah. Okay, I need to add more checks definitely. To see what happens because I'm not sure. Do. Do we have a callback on our own disconnect? No, we don't. Okay. Um. Seems like we are actually. Zach, are you there? And remember this code that I made that makes sure that every entity will be deleted on the client side, right? But seems like I forgot that we don't need to delete the client entity, right? I mean, so it shouldn't be deleted, but I actually did delete it. So now it makes kind of. I mean, that's the probably why it happens. Most likely, I would say. Uh, it actually. No. So let me check. I wanna add all the like logging to the actually when the place where we adding and removing some entities. Uh, there is a guy who asked something in the chat, but I don't know what does it mean. Sure. Can you ask in English, or at least I don't know. Well, okay. Anyway, so I added log. Let's see what will happen. Oh yeah, it's trying to destroy my own entity too. Well, sorry. That's weird. I guess I did. This is something that needs to be fixed in the core lib, I guess, itself, right? Okay, let me add this to do. For now, I'm gonna. Okay, that's nice. We found out why. I'm gonna compare if this, for now, if this event entity ID same as mod player ID. I'm gonna just return. Okay, that should help. Okay, assertion. Okay, very nice. Let's check. Also, Zach, I was thinking about this. I remember last time we had this discussion about basically vehicles and passengers and their state synchronization on the. After some time, I realized that we don't even need things we had, right? Because it was not. Uh, it's even slightly simpler, and I guess it should be made on our on side of user or on our M2O side, for example. So basically, we should just mark those two entities as related in create, right? And then just on each update, we should check if this entity that we need have this entity appeared, or are we still looking for it on each update. And we're gonna do it until we find it. So basically, we won't have a resolved relation until we find this entity in update cycle, because the way with post create could not work for some occasions where the entity appeared few create queries. I mean, few create. Because for example, if you have a car and a pad, and the pad might have a position which is not exactly where a car position is. Basically, you can see car appearing first, and then the actual passenger appearing much later on, or other way around somehow. So basically, it will look like entity, and on the same create, you won't be able to find the exact entity you wanted to find. Well, it's kind of sounds complicated, but it's quite simple, I guess. Mm-hmm. And this can be made by basically just saving the ID of the entity, because we know IDs. Okay. Okay, now I want to fix this. Where was it? Title stuff. When we connected, I want to. Oh yeah. So we have a hook on successful connect. Basically, what we do is that we. Where was it? Not connected. We are setting our mod state, and we are setting our position, and we are setting all the stuff. Right now, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna log back the control, set position to default, and reset the entity to the default state, basically. That's cool. So I'm gonna just revert everything I just did. So it would be true. Do we have 0? Okay, never mind. Yeah, we should have 0, right? Like vec3, yeah, vec3, 0. Yep, should be fine. And then mod state to title. Is it? Wait, why? Oh, mod title state, I see. Did I? No, it's everything okay, okay. I'm just, yeah, debug title doesn't make sense. Mod player, we can equal it to null tier. What is this? Event data. Yeah, we can actually delete it earlier. Okay, okay, that should work. Now if I start both clients and disconnect with one, I will be able to connect with another and see everything same way as it was before I disconnected. I mean, in theory at least. Shut up. It will work. Okay, I'm disconnecting. Okay, it didn't work. Wait, did I forget to do something? I mean, what did I do? Okay, thank you. You're very helpful. I guess I forgot to. I don't know why? It was supposed to work, right? Now I'm confused because maybe when I actually do network stop, it does not you know, trigger stuff. I don't know. Check. No, it should be. Oh wait, no. No. Oh no, it's not triggering. This is bad. This is very bad. What? Yeah. Yeah. No. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Well, that needs to be fixed. Okay. Okay. That's very unhealthy. Yeah. No, it's not 3.1. I guess it will be 3. I don't know. 3 point something. I mean 3.0 point something. Is it if it's a fix? Yeah. Well, yeah. Well, you know, shit happens. Actually, I guess I'm gonna delete mod. Yeah, stuff happens. I'm gonna just trigger it manually for now. Disconnect. No. It's not. This is not hacks. These are just. Fuck. Wait, what? Disconnect Yeah, well, it's not defined yet, you know. We don't have it yet. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, well, you know, I mean, I guess I will just remove it later. I will. I will. I hope. I will not forget. Will I? Okay. Okay. Disconnected. Resetter. Now connected. Hey. Hey. Oh. Oh. Wait. Why do we have this? What? Who is this? Like, who is this? Who is this? We have a. We have a. We have a pad. Some. This is a pad who doesn't. Wait. Why did we call to create? That's okay. We call disconnect. Destroy an entity, right? We don't have this entity anymore, right? Right. Okay. Now we call connect. And we created 3 entities. Well, definitely something is not right. And I don't know what. Do we actually destroy on the server? I don't remember. This might be a reason. Why is it happening? It's happening because I forgot to disconnect him, basically. On connection request. It's a password. Okay. User data, new pad. On connect accepted. Yeah, well, you know, we don't have disconnect handling. Yeah, that's the reason. No, you know, people make mistakes. I'm a people. Yeah, I'm people. You would expect that I am gonna say I'm a human. No, I'm not. Oh, I mean, I'm yes, but I'm also a people. Shut up. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay. Now we gonna. But I don't know why this. Oh yeah. Oh wait. I'm confused. Uh, I'm very confused. We need to delete this entity, right? That's for sure. Event entity user data delete. Okay. This will delete, but why do we have multiple entities spawned? That's the question I'm actually interested in, you know? Why there were multiple guys? I mean, doesn't should make well, maybe I just don't see the full picture. Okay, but it's gonna be the same. I don't think this line will definitely won't don't change stuff. Basically, why do we have? Shh. What? How? What is your? Do you have thoughts on this? No, but no. We have entities, right? Basically, this guy gets triggered 3 times. But he isn't supposed to be triggered because we don't have on client disconnects, the entity will be automatically deleted. Should be. But why is it created only when he connects? Ideas, ideas, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Push, push, push. Yeah, come on. I believe in you. Oh yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. Very helpful. I'm gonna log all. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's see what will happen. Wait, what? Log? Where? What? What do you mean? Supposed to have before? You mean like we were supposed to have it much earlier than we do now? Okay, see, there are no entities yet, right? And we supposed to see on the server that we are sending a create packet for entity 1 to 1 and 0 to 0. Okay, now we press disconnect, sending remove packet for entity 1. Okay, so destroy entity 1. Now this guy should not see any other entities except the one that has been successfully removed. And when I connect, oh, what the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? I'm sorry, I don't care. I don't know. This looks like, you know, I had issues with black stuff. Yeah, it's back. Hello. Is it because of model? This model has a black shirt. Wait, where is the pet? He was supposed to be there. I'll be, I'll, I'll be there for you. The one that got destroyed. Okay, disconnect. Okay, we got disconnected. Now we're gonna connect. Now you see there are two pads. And Sarah had sending a create packet for entity 2, sending entity 2. Now disconnect, now connect. Now disconnect, now connect. Now disconnect, now connect. Now disconnect, now connect. You see there are quite an amount. What? Zach? Did you see that? Server log and what was happening. Yes, I shown the server log and I showed what was happening. Did you see what was happening? You should look. and it was happening when I was basically connecting and disconnecting. I mean, connecting, basically under in time connect. Kept alive. What? Yes, is it? Is it better now? Still? Um, I don't know. Uh, is it still happening? Okay. Well. Well, it should. Oh, well, it's a good question. This is how we handle disconnect for the server. Basically, we take the entity, and it might be, well, it might be file in this place, but we are. Hello, how are you? Very nice. Um, mm, mm, mm. Okay, so okay, wait, Maya asked about um certain people watching right now. If you're interested in that statistics, uh, but well, I'm trying to figure out why entities are kept on the server, but they not, okay. So what is this? Hello. Slate Sec, I guess, if I pronounce this nickname right. Oh, wait, it's wrong thumbs up. I mean thumbs up, not thumbs down. Okay. So. Zach, Zach, do you have any idea why there are new lines. They're not supposed to be new lines in this code. Yeah, Mafia is from Czechia. Is Mafia from Czechia, or it's a like common with Czechia and Slovakia, both from both countries? Because I'm not sure. Well, people that made Mafia, are they from Czechia or from Slovakia too, or maybe from somewhere else? From Czech Republic? Let me see. Okay. Not yet, but I'm actually planning to do it today. You know. You mean the method that for setting rot and yes, they called set rot and set pos, like. By the way, which folder or which file you've added them to? Oh, you placed them already, like already. I didn't see that. Let me check. Pedestrian. So you replaced. Oh, set deer is this one, and set. Wait, let's remove. I didn't actually see that. Well, it's cool. Wait, what was the position? Interposition. Set a pos. I see set pos. Yes. It's gonna appear. Yeah, it's you know, it has delay about 15 seconds. Uh. 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 Yeah. It's the one that, yeah. Yeah, anti-deletion. I mean, it works now. It had crashed because I forgot to exclude a local player entity from being deleted on entity remove, like total remove of all entities. And I forgot this case when actually the local entity should not be removed by the game because it will, you know, crash. That's why I excluded, and now it works fine. And now I'm trying to figure out why does it, like, why server keeps entities duplicated, and you know, still, yeah. So yeah, but this sync methods seems like work fine. I mean, we currently have disabled this hockey animations that we had, you know, with tasks basically. And I will just try to enable them later and see if it will work and how it will look like, you know. Okay, so Jeff's country asks, where am I from? I'm from Ukraine. If you're interested. Oh wait. People say no one can hear you. Try. So I was talking on my own all this time. For fuck's sake. Shit. This is very.
Wait, all the time?
Yeah, all the time. No one could hear other people. I mean, you and Yeah, Tilda.
Well, that must have been weird.
Yeah, I mean,
Now
can
I
you
hear
hear?
your music though.
I'm sorry, I cannot properly figure out how to configure the thing.
Well,
Is it loud?
well, it kinda is.
I'm gonna make it not that loud.
Just shut it down.
But the music's supposed
Yeah,
to be there.
let
You
people
know.
listen to whatever they want.
Okay, I'm gonna make it super.
Yeah.
I can't hear it anymore. Okay, so now you can hear us. You can hear us all, right? I'm just gonna check. You can hear me, Taylor, and Zaklaus. Everything is
Hello
clear.
everyone again.
Hello.
This is quite whelp. It happens. Okay.
Wonderful.
Yes.
And okay, thank you, Looney Rider. You helped us.
So,
Okay. Yeah.
what do we need for now in reverse engineering? Like the look at and aim at?
Yeah, look at and aim at. Basically, I wanted to try them last time, but I didn't have the methods to
Yes.
like fetch them. You know.
So yeah, so you can set the look at position but not fetch it, right?
I mean, we can try to do it via script like this task,
Yeah.
right?
As far as I remember, the human script method is working. Like setting a position where the ped will aim and look. But yes, we need to get the current fit. The current looking position. We'll do it.
Okay.
So.
Well, that would be great. And I in meantime we'll try to figure out what's why and how is it happening that entity is getting multiplicated. Well, that's weird. Zach, so do you have a slightest idea?
Let's see. So we check whether the entity is whether we have a pointer on entity ID, then we check whether the entity is valid.
I'm sorry.
Is it getting destroyed? Is the entity getting destroyed?
I mean, it's getting put in the queue, remove queue, and then it should be triggered.
Okay, show me the queue. Show me maybe destroy all the entities.
Let's see. Yeah, this is the place. But if it want to be destroyed, it won't trigger the method for removing it from the game. But it does remove it from the game. You know, it's like for some reason this entity gets duplicated in terms of on create message. Why does it send multiple create messages? That's what I don't understand.
Can you perhaps print the number of the entities on the server?
Print a what?
A number of the entities that are actually on the server right now.
Yes. I mean, I can actually attach the debugger and.
You could, attach the debugger. Yeah.
Server. Where is it? Is it server? Server exam. Okay. Touch. Can we watch some stuff? Or we need to attach. We cannot watch without attaching, right? Or without breaking stuff. Fuck. Okay, let me. Where is the router?
Can you lower the volume of the music? Hello?
Lower?
Yeah.
Is it loud? Is it loud?
Yes, it is still loud. Well, I don't know how loud it is on the stream, but
It's like I can't even. It's impossible.
Peter. Oh, Peter.
Okay. Okay. I made it almost without sound. I don't know. Can someone actually hear it? Okay. Boats. We need boats. How can I add a particular variable to watch list in the debugger in Visual Studio? How can I check the volume inside this value? Should I break it and then it will I will be able to check, or should
yes.
I can actually somehow do it in real time without stopping the process?
You should break it.
Oh, okay.
Usually.
How to break it then? Do you have any suggestion how can
Find a
break?
place where you can break it.
Oh, well, okay. I'm just manually insert it then. Oh wait, I can just put it. Here we go. Oh wait, I removed it. Okay. Server. No, not like this. Or yes, like this. Okay.
Why do you break it there?
I'm just gonna add the CTX to the watch list, and then that's it. Gonna continue. Simple.
Alright.
Now. Oh no, I cannot access it. Why? What?
Because it's runtime. No.
Okay, can I stop it? Oh, yeah, I can pause it. Okay, so we have entity count 2. We have only 2 entities.
Oh. Oh.
Doesn't make sense. But we are sending the message like 4 times. What went wrong? doesn't make sense. Um. What is the chance that branch still contains the entity in old place and returns the pointer on the same entity multiple times?
No. Because a node. Wait.
Like
can you show me the code where we destroy the entity? This is important.
Where was it? Insert. Yeah, here it is. Actually, right in the middle. I can go inside the actual destroy method.
Yes, that's what I need to see.
So basically, this is a place.
Show me the libudget. Right.
What?
Oh, okay, I see. Let's see. Well, we call that PLC remove with a specific ID, which means that it gets marked. Which means also as well that the node itself will be set to unused. Also, I hear myself. That's one.
Okay, how can you hear yourself?
Good question.
There is no chance that entity query can be bigger than. No, there can be. Basically, entity count is 2, and we are sending more entities that we have actually on the server.
It shouldn't be related to query, but you might as well try the 341 branch to see if it changes anything.
To try what?
You could check the new version, the side version of the libudget.
Oh.
The one without ZPLC. If it might change anything.
Okay,
I'm
let
not
me
sure.
try. It just changes, changes only inside the header file, right? Not, I don't need to pull the dependencies.
It's just a header file change.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh wait, version 3. Yeah, let's try.
Might as well do nothing, but well, who knows. But the important thing is that we do check the stuff. Actually, I just noticed one thing that might be wrong. Or might not.
Okay, it actually compiled and it works. I mean, in the base.
Alright, let's see, it still Is it still doing?
Nope.
Wait, it works?
No, it doesn't. Still the same shit.
Okay, good. Fine. Return back to destroy. I need to see it again.
Return back to what?
Yeah, return back to the destroy function.
Oh yeah.
And again, I will have a slight delay, so
I'm gonna restore the old version for now.
okay.
Oh, where was it? Destroy. Yeah. Most likely, it's that.
Notice that we have something like entity flags if the libg entity client is set.
Yeah.
Notice that we are removing the entity from the streamer only when it's a client, which is wrong. It should be removed
Why is
every
this?
time. I don't know why it's there though. It shouldn't be there at all.
Oh, okay, but
So
still.
it should be out of that condition. It should be.
Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. But the thing is, it won't change stuff. You know.
Yeah, it won't change stuff, but it's a small fix, you know. Actually, don't know if it's fixed in the 3.1 version. Don't remember already.
No, I'm currently on 3.0.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just wondering.
We'll see. We'll think about it later. It's not public. Okay, so
But the point is, it should make sure that the node is marked as unused, which means that it won't be included into the query. Well, you could show me the query code. You could show me the code where we do query to just make sure that the condition is there. There should be a condition to check whether it's unused. If it is unused, then we basically just skip the entity. You know?
we have unused. If unused, we just continue.
Yeah. So it's there already. This means that the query is fine as well.
Welp. Welp. See, the thing is that it's most likely getting replicated inside the same query, because otherwise there is no way how this code could be triggered multiple times for the same because like the query is just the query returns multiple results with the same entity.
Did you
Basically.
check if it returns multiple results
What?
at that point? Did you check it?
Well, it's a logical assumption. I mean, most likely it is. I didn't check it, like for the
You
sure,
should
for the
check it.
sure. But you know, it's like it will return the same because it doesn't have. I mean, there is no other way how this could be triggered. I guess. I mean, I don't.
I mean, there shouldn't be any way of query getting more entities there. I mean, there should be no case where that could happen because if something is unused, it is unused. You cannot, you cannot really use it. Shouldn't be included at
Wait,
all
does
because
it mark them as unused?
it does. You can check the ZPLC. Well, you tried the 3.1 code. It was the same
Yeah.
result, and it
Okay,
also does.
let me just try to print the amount of queries. I mean, of entities returned.
You should also print the number of entities that are present on the server.
Yeah, I printed. It was only 2. Oh, well, I'm gonna print both, like in queue count and the. Uh, what was the name? Counters. Seems like, you know what?
Hmm?
Remember we moved this condition with if outside of the client entity.
Hmm?
It actually helped. It was the reason. Because now I cannot trigger this.
Wait, which condition?
If inside the entity is client, basically flag check.
Mm-hmm.
Now it
Oh,
doesn't.
so it fixed it?
Yeah, it fixed it.
Okay, so question: well, why it wasn't marked as client? Then?
Maybe it was unmarked as. I see now. I guess basically I was unmarking it earlier because in the net
Mm-hmm.
when in entity disconnected or client disconnect, I was unmarking this. Where was it? Accept and then
Oh,
disconnect. Yeah, yeah. I wasn't marking it as client entity
okay,
before that, and
because
was
we
removing
fixed in
client script.
3.1 as well. Then
Uh, yeah, yeah. Should be fixed. Can you, by the way, can you push into the both version this both versions? Because this is not the right place where I should push it from. I don't have the connected repo there. Or we
we
just
can do
can.
it later. We
Yeah,
can
we
do
can
it
do it later.
later.
Okay, so this one is fixed. Okay, now, Tilder, could you please check one thing? I'm gonna show you soon. Wait. Basically, for some reason, there are black trees. Not black trees, but black textures appearing
Mhm.
sometimes, and it's. I think it might be related to. Remember, I told you about black textures in the sky in the last version,
Mhm.
uh, and this is quite similar. I mean, I don't.
Yes.
Okay, so if I disconnect, because I'm setting
Yes.
my position to 0, and then I'm connecting it back, and then this, and oh, I'm connecting back. There are some uh, occurrences of stuff. For some reason, it's related to the fact that I am setting my position to 0, and then resetting it back to this place. There are some blinking black stuff. Or
Yes.
oh, wait, is it blood? What the fuck is this?
What?
It's like some, I don't know, textures or for example, this is gonna be quite good to. This is gonna be quite visible. Like it creates some sort of, I don't know what this is. Uh, Maybe some items or not items, but like
Yes,
trails of
but
the cars.
why related to disconnection connection?
It's related to basically how I handle this connection right now is that when client disconnects, I move him onto 000 and lock his
Yes.
controls. And then when he connects, I moved him again to the spawn position and unlock his controls. That's only two basically lines that actually do this stuff.
Yeah. Basically, why not just letting the player on the current position? Because if it's
Yeah. I mean,
disconnected, then
I can do this, but I wanted to make it nice. So if I disconnect,
sure.
I will be. But if I comment it, let's check. I guess it will not do this weird stuff anymore. Seems like it's related, either related to multiple entity creation and removal, or we'll see now.
I don't know. Maybe it's related to the game. The way it enter on the position. I don't know.
What? Why did it crash?
So let's try again.
Oh, it crashed inside. What? It's pushed. What is pushed? Is this what is this? Do you know why it's crashed there?
No. You can send me the crash log, but I'm not sure. Yes. Send the crash log to Mayu. We'll have a look.
Okay. It's hard. My Discord is on another screen. But... Is this the last one?
Yeah, maybe. Yes.
Which days? Yeah, this is the last one. Right.
Oh,
yes, right.
Maybe you need to close.
No, wait, it's not the last. I'm confused. Yeah, this is the last one. Yeah, this is the last one. Okay. Well, yeah, okay. I'm gonna close this one too because I don't like. Okay, so now I'm gonna disconnect and I'm gonna be still at the same point. Now when I connect, it's very nice. Now I disconnect, connect, disconnect, connect, disconnect, connect, disconnect, connect. Still pretty much the same. Yeah, I guess it's a position. It was a position stuff. That's weird. Disconnect, connect, disconnect, connect, disconnect, connect, connect. Oh well, I don't know. Yeah, it's related to setting position to 0. That's weird. So. Maybe. Well, I don't know. Oh, trash. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Well, that's weird. Okay. Okay, there are questions in the chat. Oh. We are not improving the client that was made 4 years ago. We are basically redoing, or basically doing it all from the scratch, starting from the beginning, and doing this thing right. I hope. So yeah. We tried to improve the old client, but it just didn't work for us. It was too. I don't know. It was hard to work in the old one. And also there is a guy who asks why he's banned on our server. I don't know. I guess most likely because of some reason.
Yeah. There is obviously a reason.
Yeah, we don't ban people just for nothing. I guess you just did something that you know, someone against the rules basically.
Yeah.
When they gonna stream the animes on the player sites? I guess it means when we have animations of the players running on the player. Well, I hope soon. Like we have
Yeah.
some testing version, but which it's not like super great. So we just Okay. So this is working now. Now I'm gonna. I wanted to test some. I don't remember what I wanted to test. I'm gonna pull the changes though that you Tiller pushed. I want to
Yes.
see those guys. Oh wait, I actually changed a lot. Added proper. Okay, so get pull. And get push. Yep. Okay. Okay, let's see. So you've changed the file camera. Oh, by the way, what is our current state with camera? What can we use it somehow? Is it usable, or is it like just for testing for now?
Yeah. The wrapper is usable.
Camera wrappers. Camera wrapper. Oh. Also, I wanted to ask this camera wrappers and camera and camera is inside includes. There includes, I guess it's just the game classes, and camera is what we can use inside as a wrapper, as a nice wrapper, right? So basically,
Yes.
okay. Look. Oh, is this the thing that you just or is this the method that I need to use for look at, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, very nice. Oh, it's just a function, not even a class. Nice. Nice. Okay, we're gonna close this. Oh, Actually, I want to try to uncomment our interpolate. I mean, our animations and check how they will work with those set rot and pose methods. Set dir and set pose. Maybe it will be much better than it was before. Or I don't think so actually. But that's so interesting.
Yeah.
Let's check.
Just try.
Oh, wait, what? Why am I not spawn? That's slightly weird. Okay, rotations are a bit off. Well, it looks shitty, of course, but still better than 0, I guess. There are some weird, I guess I don't, because of approximation of direction, because I wasn't able to fetch the current direction. I just,
Yeah, I've added the method for the get dir and set dir.
Oh, so there is, and you are using it right now, or this is still code
No.
for?
Oh, let me think. Maybe I replaced it. But I think not.
Set deer. It's a set deer. Was or clan stream that's supposed to be there. So basically.
Oh yeah, it's set deer from the sea human too. Yes.
It's a deer. Yeah, but the direction is basically still. You see, I'm calculating the magnitude between vectors, difference of vectors of last position and new position. Basically, I'm just finding the vector of direction, and that's not. So I can try to use this new method, right? Let's
Yes.
see. Let's see. Let's try. It might be much better.
Yes, definitely.
Get deer. It's inside the human too, right?
Yeah.
Human 2 doesn't have
And
message.
I did the same for the vehicle. The get
Oh.
and set deer, get and sit route and boss.
Also, and have you applied them on the current vehicle stuff, or it's still old entity?
Yeah, no, I think so. I have applied it.
Get. This is old position rotation. Set pos and set rot. Yeah, that's the new ones. I'm gonna try to fetch also all the. And most likely, if it will work, the vehicle stuff shouldn't be as wiggly as it was before. That will be super great. Yes. Okay. So I wanted to, yeah. Where is it? Get deer.
Yeah, it's
Why does it say there is
the
no?
good one from Seeker.
Oh, no, actually, what? No, it's a wrong. What? It's either stupid or I don't know. There is no get deer in human. Seems like.
Let me check.
Set deer, set pos, set rot, but no get.
Yeah, you're right. I will add it right now.
Okay.
I will get here.
Okay, for now, I'm gonna comment this. So what I wanted to do, yeah, and comment return. So yeah, I remember stuff related to the fact. Do you know, by the way, if I'm fetching the position of entity while I am in the car and the position of the pet, it will be returning my position of the pet in the car, or will we return in my previous position when I was not in the car?
It's a good question.
Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna add my current position to the debug stuff. That's gonna be
yes.
easier. I forgot how it does it look like. Okay, so I'm gonna have nk label which requires what context char and element. Okay, ticks.
So what you doing?
Oh, hello. We
Hey.
are doing some stuff. I'm trying to figure out when entity, like I'm fetching the position of player while he is in the car, is it returning the position when he was not in the car, or actually while he which position that is he's in the car? Well, just weird stuff.
Okay, I know what you mean.
Yeah, okay.
So basically, while the player is inside vehicle,
He might
server
be
position
returning.
of the player is before he entered car.
Yeah, I mean it's a theory. I'm not sure yet. That's what I wanna check.
It should be like that. But basically, what you can do is not to get the position of the player, but the position of the frame of the player.
Yeah, I mean these new methods might return actual proper values. I don't know. I'm gonna check both. Actually, I wanna check both of them. I wanna check like these new methods that. Oh, actually no. Wait. Yeah. Get pos is old, so it returns old position, right? We don't have the new position for entity. We have new set pos, but we don't have get pos, so we don't know the current. But I guess it will work.
You can get just frame position, and it should work every time.
I see.
Because it's engine.
I see. Yeah. Well, that makes sense. Sprint. Pos, wait.
Alright, I'm back. How are you doing?
Oh, very nice, very nice. You were away. I
Mhm.
didn't notice. I mean, I noticed that you are silent, but I didn't know why. Okay, so wait, does it mean I can use it without this?
Are you dealing with the position? With the issue related to the fact that the
Yeah, pretty much.
Mhm.
Okay, I'm. Text
Are you
left is
beating your
this?
keyboard again?
What?
Are you beating your keyboard again, Davo?
No.
Okay, so we have entity.
I guess I will mute myself.
Okay. Oh, what is this sound? Someone
It's
killing
not
someone?
me.
Someone definitely killing someone. Where? Okay, so how do we fetch the position? Position. Get pet object, get position. Okay, let's check. No, actually it changes. Like client is
Yeah.
yeah, it's like client polls.
Okay, so what's the issue then? That's worse.
Yeah, that's worse. Well, still have wiggles. Oh no, I don't like wiggles.
You don't like to wiggle?
I don't like wiggles. I like to wiggle. Or I don't know. Shut up. Where are you going? Just enter the goddamn car. Oh no. Okay.
Well done.
Done? Not done.
Never mind, it's a delay, you know.
It will crash as soon as I will get quite far away from the place. Nice try. No, it's not crashing anymore. Oh, maybe because I've merged latest changes. Maybe not.
Yeah.
Ah. Too fast. Fuck. Vehicle sync is not incredible. It's shitty for now. Vehicle. It needs to be better. It does. The wheels doesn't even spin. Well, if you look closer, you
Yeah,
will
but
see.
at least we can use that Hermit cube interpolation or whatever it was called. So the interpolation should be already improved by this. And if we proper reverse also the physics of the vehicle, we can improve also that wiggling.
Yeah.
So no more wiggles.
And we can also account the speed into
Yeah, actually,
it.
speed might dramatically improve the wiggling, because when the vehicle will have speed applied, it will behave significantly different. At least physics model. Because having speed and physics position, it will definitely behave other way. But I guess having just speed float as one float is nice, but I believe to make physics engine apply the same stuff as we have on the other client, we need to also push a vector speed vector, like
Yes.
3 coordinates of speed. And I don't think Tilda, do you remember, do we have reversed vector 3 for speed, basically vehicle
Yeah.
speed? I remember we have it. We have a set method, but I don't remember. Do we have? Because
Yes. You have to. Yes, you have two reverse offset for the speed in the seeker.
because I used the offset that was there, and it was actually showing the last crash place. It wasn't showing last speed.
Yeah,
Like
and
like let me show you. This offset. What was the class? C vehicle or C car?
seeker.
C car. So basically, this offset of it's even named last crash position. You see,
Yeah,
like
but it wasn't. I guess it's Davo that had
oh fuck, it merged
offset
everything
because
back.
it wasn't my work.
No,
But
yeah. I mean, I found out. I was trying to fetch it as a position, but I figured that this is actually the last place where car crashed, and it's
Okay.
shifted by one float up to the,
Okay.
basically by 4 bytes, and it merged it. I fucked it up. Well, how was it? I didn't mean it to be inserted there. I guess I need to remove this stuff. This is how it's supposed to be. But yeah, this is a wrong vector basically. I'm gonna push the fix so it won't fuck up everything for you too. Git push. Okay, should be pushed now. And
Yeah.
I was driving. Let's continue. That's pretty much fine. The game doesn't crash for now. It's nice. So can you try to basically, you know, reverse those sets? I mean, get speed, vector speed, because with DAO last time when we were doing stuff, DAO actually made this reversed this wrapper class for the how is it? Human vehicle or car to human wrapper or something like this.
Yeah. Oh, you
And
mean for the vehicle on towing?
and it had speed. Oh yeah, human to car wrapper. It has basically it has get speed float, and it, for example, can check its cabriolet.
It doesn't have even function for returning vector of the speed.
The human car wrapper. I don't remember actually. I guess not because I
Yeah,
didn't
this
get
yeah,
find.
the C human to car wrapper has a get speed float method.
Sorry, what?
The class have a get speed float method.
Yeah. And we used it, and it
Because,
was it was working fine actually, and like it was showing speed. So I'm planning to use this for now as a way to fetch the current speed float for the client. But would be nice to have also, you know, to apply a speed vector onto the vehicle that we are thinking, because without it the physics is kind of fucked up, you know. So will we be able to find somewhere where it is, like where, how, and maybe reverse it? It's, I guess,
Wait,
supposed to be in
I
the
will
car.
look on it.
Oh, okay. I guess it's supposed to be in the car, but
I guess this float is somehow calculated from the vector, you know, so
well, yeah, it
it's
makes
the
sense to be
Java
calculated.
representation of these three elements.
Or you know, because it also might be taken from the engine speed, or because or maybe set speed for the car that takes one float is a high level
yeah,
method that applies like it actually creates the speed and sets the speed. Maybe there are lower level methods that we actually can use to make it nicer, because having a plan, like having to speed and conflicting other vector speed might be like making the game, making the car wiggle more that we like than we even have now, for example. I don't know. Okay. Will the client feature NPC traffic like it on your test client? Well, we will try maybe in few years, or I don't know. No, actually, we don't know yet. It's like we uh would be nice.
not for
Well,
now.
Not for now, but still would be
I,
nice, right? Right.
Yeah.
I can get metrics from metrics, yeah, from the car, I guess.
What is the metrics?
It contains everything like rotation, position, scale.
Matrix is
Everything.
everywhere.
It's just matrix.
Oh,
It's
matrix. I see. Oh, yeah. That's quite low level. I mean, if you can fetch it, I guess we can apply it too, right? So that's pretty much might be nice. I hope. I mean, you know, Oh. Ah, so this is game loop hook tool that can be removed, right?
And there is get velocity.
And yeah,
Yeah, and it's
and
returning vector, I guess.
and is it applicable to, applicable to the? Because I don't even know. Is it the same thing that the speed is? You know.
Should
Well,
be.
most likely it is, but still, having different
Yeah.
names might mean that they are for different purposes. Is there a way to
Mhm.
get a trunk position?
But usually, when you have a velocity, it is actually related to the same thing
Yeah,
between your.
yeah, it makes sense in physics at least, but I'm not sure. Maybe they're triggering some other methods inside the game, like class. You know, they might
Okay,
set.
we'll see. I will just reverse this kind of function. I will send it to you, and also before I will try it, and we will see.
Okay, okay, okay.
It's a few seconds, I guess.
Uh, so Looney Rider asks, is there a way to get trunk position?
To get the trunk position?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Why not?
You mean like a method from inside the game, or the one that can be made by, for example, by someone? Because I don't know. I mean, I know how to do it on my own, just with some math.
Yeah, I guess you can get just position or origin of the vehicle, and you can add
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
some
That's
float.
the way how I would do it. But if maybe the game has
Yeah.
its own method for getting, because I've seen
Maybe.
the method for getting a wheel position, even
Yeah,
reversed.
yeah. I guess
Uh,
yes, because in Mafia 1 there is something like get frame by name, and also vehicles should have the names of the meshes, like
Yeah.
so
mhm.
you can get mesh by name, so shouldn't be problem. And then basically you can call frame get position or whatever you want, and it should return.
That's nice. Okay, so this is good. What I wanted to do? I wanted to try to use the um, get look at, then actually print it. I want to see how it looks like in the debug. Wait, get look at should be like this, right? Oh, by the way, what is this constant direction multiplier?
Okay,
Oh,
it's it's something it's hard coded in the game
oh,
sources.
I see. So it's
So
basically pretty much the same way, almost like I did. They're basically getting the current
yeah,
position and direction,
I
and
don't know why it's like this, but in the game it's applying
yeah,
this
yeah, yeah,
direction
yeah.
multiplier.
Yeah, I see. Well, it's cool. Wait, they should be. Oh well, who cares? Okay, it should be compilable, I guess.
So yeah, you just pass a pointer or a reference.
Oh, should I pass something there? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's not returning. I see. I see. I see.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, fixable.
So it will not compile. Just pass the Vic
Yeah,
for
I
free.
already did this. It's a delay. Don't worry.
Okay.
I don't know actually. By the way, what is the current state of the stream? Oh yeah, I'm starting this game. Yeah. Okay.
Perfect.
Oh, the numbers are gigantic. Well, that makes sense because of the, but like they're shush. For example, why does it change when I'm not? Oh, I see. It's approximation. Minus 15,000. How do you like this number? 17,000 minus 14,000, 23,000. Nice, very
Quick
nice.
math.
Quick math. uh, okay, I'm gonna try to set them. I expect those values are too big though for setting the look position, but I'm gonna try to set them anyway. Gonna sync them. Okay, let me add components. So we have a bed. He will have a
Mm-hmm.
yeah. It's not only your favorite game; it's our favorite game too. Almost. Okay, so I'm gonna just write. Stream. Okay, done. We are sending the look at, and now let's receive it and apply it. For now, I'm gonna try to apply it without looking. I mean, without interpolation, just raw. And applying. How do we? We have this screen look at, right? The one that we should use for this. Skr. This. Yeah. Okay. Empty sync object.
Yeah. Pretty much the same like
Yeah.
the SCR movie, yes.
Sync object. Then we have entity that we want to. Wait, entity. Does it? Wait. Why does it have entity? Look at.
I guess you just put a
No.
null pointer. I will check. Wait a second.
Is it like? Yeah, I guess it is. I mean, it's either using entity. Well, for now, I'm gonna pull now. Null. Okay. Then we have position, which will be ped stream look at. Then we have smooth. Well, true. Okay. Let's see. Look at. So it should definitely, most likely turn head, right?
Oh no, so just guess. Wait a second. Yes, as the entity, just put the pointer of the local player.
Oh, local player. Why local player?
You should, yeah, you can try with a null pointer.
Okay, let's try with null pointer then. See what.
If it's not working, we will try with local player pointer.
This doesn't make sense for me. Why local
Yeah,
player?
yeah, sure. With since we have the sys object. But yeah, let's try.
Okay, let me just hide those guys, and where's the second one? Okay, so if I'm looking this, does it work, or he just randomly turns his head? Is it supposed to turn? No, I don't think look at will do actually something, or will it? How it's supposed to do stuff? No, he will. No, actually, I don't know.
What's the problem?
No problem. I'm just trying to understand what the fuck is going on. He doesn't even. My own character doesn't want to turn his head to the place where
Yeah. Let me.
I don't know how this look at works.
Yeah, maybe we should try to apply it on the local player, because the head will follow the camera movement.
Oh, well, yeah, we can try. Okay, now let's do it. So we're gonna do it in update, I guess, right? We're gonna do it in each tick. Let's put it in the game tick for now. Or is it met? Arratata. What was this code for fetching? Where was it? Local player. See human. We don't need this.
So
Wait, let me create a M2.
no, just
sync
yeah,
object.
well, yeah, this one.
Sync. Now here.
Do not cast as an entity.
Oh wait, it's
just a human too. Yeah. Okay, and the position you just had the get look at.
Yeah. Let me add
yeah, just the sync object too.
Yeah, it's delayed, so it's just for now. Give me 2. Get wrappers. Get
yeah, a double one.
Get look at this. Now let's try. Okay, compiling. Let's see how it will work.
I'm not sure, but
well, oh yeah, we don't have the stuff yet. Let me actually, put it in some case where it will be. Oh, let me think. While I'm pressing the button, let's do this. You get a sync.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
you need to wait for the player to
Yeah.
be spawned.
I'm just gonna make it so when I press the button, it will rotate the head. But, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, it should work, I guess. F3. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's try now. Так, okay. F3. Does it work? No. Feels like it doesn't. I mean, I just constantly pressing F3. It doesn't do shit.
Okay, try to remove the null pointer and pass to the
My
pointer of the
entity,
player.
yeah. Okay, I will try.
Yeah. No, it's not working.
Oh my god, seriously, I need to cast it. It requires player 2. Okay.
Yeah, but you know, player 2 and human 2, it's basically the same. Just a cast, but no, just cast it as a human 2. Would be much better.
Okay.
No, just push.
Oh,
I'm
without.
not sure.
No, wait, it's a.
Yeah, no. It's a C entity. Okay, just cast as the entity. It's the same, so it will not.
But it
not
is.
too much.
Oh, yeah, well, okay. Entity. Let's try entity. Is it the main sense? Yeah, okay. Never mind. Shit.
Yeah, just try with.
We'll see, we'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna close this.
Okay.
Well, it sometimes looks down. I don't know, is it related to this? But I am not sure. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna add some prints. I'm gonna print stuff. So that we are trying to look at.
Yeah, it's weird.
Pause print pause a message.
Yeah, look at. Oh. Yeah, there is other method for the look at. There is look at angles, and look at deer.
For inside the script.
Yeah, inside the binary. I will reverse them right now, and then we will try it.
Okay.
Okay. Look at angle. Because it must be way better because the look at angles just take 3 floats as param. It makes sense. But by the way, I'm not sure we can apply that thing on the local player, so maybe we should test on the distant one.
Yeah, I mean, I tried, but it didn't do shit, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, to pass a local player but doesn't, you see, it doesn't make sense to pass a local player pointer.
Exactly. Exactly.
It's like I almost don't believe it will work at all.
So
Also, these coordinates might be too big.
fuck.
I expect that lookat actually should return values from 0, 1, not from.
Lookat also shouldn't have any multiplication involved, because when you multiply, you basically traverse the direction forward. So the value 8, I don't know, I'm not sure about the internals, but the value 8192 tells me that it basically calculates the position.
Yeah, it
from
basically
the
approximates position. Seems like,
yes,
because
yeah.
it's not supposed to be. The direction should be somewhere like 0.1
Should be
and
small.
0.5 and
Yes,
minus
yes.
0.5, like this. Yeah, because it doesn't
You
actually.
try to get rid of that
Well, I
multiplier.
will try. Maybe I will try now. Where was it? Where was it?
Because as soon as you multiply the value, the direction, you basically calculate the new position. That's you basically traverse through the space somewhere to the future.
Mhm.
So
Oh, it's still
see,
gigantic.
I look
But...
at guns. CC.
Ah, that's weird. Wait, how does it work? Okay, so it fetches camera position with your. Why do we add this? We don't even. Oh, fuck. You know why? You know what? What this? What this?
Oh, by the way, and look at also calculates a
It was coordinates of the place where it was looking at, in terms of
yes.
exact place on the game. You know. I guess if you look at the wall, it will return your position of the on the wall which are you looking at.
Because lookat technically return a matrix when it comes to that. Lookat is a usual operation which should return.
Yeah, so this multiplication by 8,000 is basically maximal maximal distance of the place it can reach. So basically, if you look at some car far down at the place, it will return the position of this car. No, I mean not accurate position, but some position. Basically, if you look somewhere in the sky, it will just return big numbers, basically, of the direction you're looking at. But if it's close, it will return the position where you look. So it's a cool method, but it's not like.
It's not doing exactly what we.
It's not returning a direction. It's returning a position. I'm gonna mark it. Oh wait, I don't have this plugin there.
So still not working.
Yeah. I just described why. I mean, this is a wrong method, basically. You see, this is method that returns not the direction of where you look, but the position where you look at.
Okay, I see. Yeah, I will figure
We need
out
a direction
some
methods.
method.
Yeah. It's no worries. It's okay. Positions, vectors, some matrices. Who needs this shit anyway? Kids, if you wanna develop games, you need to learn math. It's like 100% truth. And if someone tells you that you can easily make the game in Unity and ship it, well, you can try, but you know you'll still need math at some point.
Yeah.
Ah,
So this one is
very nice. Very nice. Okay, now I'm gonna try to fetch the car speed and apply it. Very interesting. Let's see. Mhm. I don't want to create a method for each. How can I do this? Oh, sir. Wiggle. So you'd say you created the get rot and get pause for vehicle too, right?
yeah. I was, but yeah, I will.
But
I'm just adding that here. Look at things. And
yeah.
yes.
Okay, so there is. Okay. Car. Check the car. Gotta check the car. Yeah, there are set post set rot, but no get post get rot as far as I see. For car 2. Okay, that's nice. I mean, that's nice, but it's, understandable. Dawa, how are you, by the way? How are you doing? Psst. Dawa. Oh, okay. No, Dawa.
Yeah, Steam asleep. Look at.
What am I looking at? What is this? What is the purpose in life? Okay, was it car? Got a wrapper.
Mayu is waking up.
What?
Yeah, look at the dev team conversation. Mayu is waking up.
Yeah, Mayu, very tactical, or tech. I don't know how to say it, but
Up to date? Not? Well.
no, what? I didn't say that.
Oh, in life,
Yeah.
there is see human to special, get human for look at.
Oh,
Maybe can be helpful.
See
I
human.
will, yeah, see human to special, and I will check what it's doing. I see human to special. Oh no, it's.
Oh, look at
seems
these wheels. They're spinning. Okay,
no, seems way
this speed,
too.
basically, the one speed that we have from. That's funny. It always goes forward, which is wrong, obviously, and also it looks funny when car is going backwards. The wheels on the car are still going forward. It looks very funny. But yeah, it's a wrong method, and we need a proper fetch speed. I mean, fetch speed for vehicle. This one doesn't work. The one that remember Dawa reversed. Well, it shows just this total speed, I guess. Sum of the vector, or how magnitude of the vector.
Actually, it's not calculated by within the method, or
I
it's
think there is
calculated, I
some.
guess, in updates.
Yeah, there is some quippy hack we can try.
No.
The speedometer is offset with the speed, the current speed. So maybe
Yeah.
we can access the speedo.
But you know,
when-
it returns speed if plus speed even if you're going forward. Basically, it doesn't make sense.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, this method, the one that we are using, probably might be the one that returns current speed. You know, so it doesn't make sense. It's like it's not a good way. I mean, it will be bad. We need. I mean, it's okay when it's going forward. What the fuck is happening? But you know, going backward doesn't look nice.
Yeah, this is why we need a speed vector for playing this.
Oh.
Was it working in M2MP?
Actually, I don't even remember. Let me check. We had.
Because if it was working on M2MP, I can have a look to the older sources.
M2 car or vehicle or car or vehicle. It's a vehicle. Set transparencies, get damage, get motor damage, set motor damage, spawn, reset rigid body. That's it. Okay, now car.
No, maybe engine and CM2 vehicle. Yeah, on the down. Yeah.
I don't see it.
Yeah, just Control plus F.
Oh,
What are you doing?
I don't know. What should I do? I'm
Yeah,
confused.
in the CM2 vehicle.cpp file, just make a search for the keyword speed.
Speed? In which file?
The one is open CM2 vehicle.
Speed. Oh wait, it's big. I thought it's small. What the fuck? Okay. There is a set speed, yeah. And get speed, and set move speed, and get move speed. both of them returning vectors, by the way, because set speed and get speed returns and operates by floats, and set move speed and get move speed operates by vector 3. Oh, that's nice. I didn't see that. Fuck. Okay. Is speed limited? Set speed limited.
So yeah, maybe you should have a look at this. I will. Oh yeah, what is set speed float? Yeah, I will add the function in SDK.
Oh, my game crashed.
But yes, maybe we already have it. I will just compare the address. Okay. Fuck.
Oh no, my both game crashed.
Sad life.
Yeah.
Oh. In C vehicle, you may set speed function. Let me check. Yes. Yes, so we have the set speed float function, yeah. And I can basically add the set speed vec, but I'm sure it's relevant.
And do you have the set speed of the VEC? For VEC?
Yeah.
So just go inside function and you have the offset for vector. We can get it also from,
Yeah, I will see if you want to have a look at what it is.
Well, I see it already.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, even exact address. Okay.
So yeah, in life, you should try to use set speed float function just the way that M2MP was doing.
This?
You get the speed and multiply it by the 3.59, etc. And on the other hand, you apply it using the set speed float function.
But actually, fuck. Because it's so one function, but I guess I have it.
But no, you don't understand. This f speed value is wrong. It's not showing the proper value. It's shifted. It's not reporting to the proper chunk of memory. You know, it's like it contains some giant float which is not changing at all. You know.
Okay.
It's like it has a wrong address basically.
Yes. So we should be able to get it from the address.
So I guess I have the speed in vector, but wait, I need to check.
Yeah.
Okay.
I will send you codes later if it will work.
Sure.
Slater later, alligator.
Alligator. From MP current car, I can get MP vehicle and offset will work. I mean this readable stuff in the interface. Is it working? Can I get from car vehicle?
Yeah.
Yeah. From car you can get vehicle. It's
Okay.
MP vehicle.
Yeah. Okay.
It's working. Yes.
Well. Okay, so what else plan to do? I forgot. I need to make a fucking notes to keep up with stuff that I wanted to do. Is this? Also, I was trying to fix Tilda. I was trying to fix this bug with, remember, with resizing the window and it crashes.
Yeah.
But I cannot figure out why I cannot fix it. I mean, I basically there is a null pointer which, for some reason, is not supposed to be there, and it's there, and it's very
There isn't some method which resizes window because
no.
you know
Well,
something
you know,
needs to like
graphics
realize
device
on the
lost, and
yeah.
or graphics device reset is getting cold, but I cannot how to say figure out why the value that wasn't bad becomes bad. You know,
Mhm.
there's at some point in time, like when I'm trying to resize it, it just basically this one is null pointer, but no one sets him to the null, and I don't know why is it happening. And it's not null when I actually create the device, but it's becoming null after I create the device, which doesn't make any sense.
I will just pick up something to eat. Coming
Okay.
back.
Okay. Okay, there are guys that asking me about question on Russian, and they want me to answer also on Russian, so I'm gonna answer on Russian. So it's a warning for everyone who doesn't speak Russian, so you be prepared that I'm speaking Russian a little bit, so don't worry. Окей, а вопрос с том, что будет
I
с...
guess I have the speed.
Oh, nice. Can you
Yeah,
somehow
vector.
fetch it? Oh, I mean send it. Or Okay,
It's
вопрос.
basically very simple. You have just offset. You can add it into the structure where you have v tables.
Yeah.
But,
The one section that, yeah.
but it's
Окей, так что вопрос такой. Сколько людей будет играть на лицухе? Учитывая, что Мафия 2 в Стиме нужна будет для того, чтобы запускать новую версию мультиплеера. Я думаю, вероятно, больше, чем играет сейчас. Потому что сейчас почти никто не играет. А имея стабильную версию и основу, на которой можно что-то строить, которая будет, надеемся, мы крашиться меньше и выдавать лучшие результаты для пользователей, давать более приятные ощущения для игры. Учитывая цену, которая не такая большая для Мафии 2, довольно неплохие, мне кажется, прогнозы для количества людей. That's it. Okay, thank you, Davo.
no problem. And you should like print it out. I don't really know if it's
Yeah,
like
I'm gonna
true
try.
velocity or
Well,
whatever.
I wanna
But you
try to
can
figure out this crashing stuff with DirectX for now, for a little, and then I'm gonna try this speed stuff. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, so why does it crash?
So.
Hello. Hello, temporary.
Oh, so you figured the offset for the speed?
Yeah,
Cool.
it's first offset in the function.
Mm.
Well,
Well,
I don't know why it's funny, but it's funny.
Oh yeah, okay. So it's on C vehicle, not on C car yet,
yeah,
right?
it's
Okay, cool.
really
I will add it and make a try. So, fuck.
well. I will go for some minutes. I guess 15
Okay.
to 20 minutes,
Yeah,
and I
sure.
will back.
Yeah, see you.
Oh, what time is this? Actually, we're gonna be ending stream in like 30, 40 minutes, I guess, or maybe earlier. I wanna eat
Yeah.
too. So just warning our
I will
viewers.
just add the vehicle thing and then be able to try.
Okay, very nice. So why does it's empty? Do we have some locations? No. That's so weird.
Au plus tard. 480. And speed.
I don't know what the fuck. Like, how is this possible? How is this possible that this value is null? It can't be this empty. It was not empty. How is this possible? How is this possible?
Fuck. So this will
M. Hmm. Why is this so empty? It's like getting overwritten from other thread. What? Or not even other thread, but I don't know. Same device ID. Oh wait, on device lost and then on device reset. Oh. Well, that makes sense,
Yeah, sure.
I guess. I mean, it's
guess.
already unloaded. That might be a reason. Why does it crash? Let me check. Chickity check.
Okay. So I will try them too. Fuck. If two.
Okay, so in device lost, on device reset. Oh yeah, makes sense. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now since I get it. I get why. Because I'm stupid. I'm not an expert in the indirect stuff, but I guess reset is the same as create, but slightly different. But I was thinking that reset is same as delete or shut down, but it's not the same. So I am basically just confused, more confused. I was confused. Well, you know, shit happens.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so it seems to work. We have the
Yes.
vehicle speed vector.
You know what else works?
Tell me.
It doesn't crash anymore and properly resizes, and it works fine. God damn it! Yay!
Also, it works finally. What was it?
I am stupid. That's what.
Okay, okay.
Um. Yeah, that's the main reason. Okay, vehicle speed vector. I'm gonna pull it. I'm also gonna commit this super fix for graphic stuff. Okay.
Cool.
Oh, what is this? Oh no, never mind. Just forget about it. Okay, okay. So I have this now. Let's see. You added C human script and C vehicle, right? Changed.
What?
C human script and C vehicle. You've
Yes.
changed
C vehicle, yes.
C vehicle and this. Where was it? Speed. Oh yeah, V speed. I think. Okay, let's try it out. Gonna print it in the chat for now. Guess. Okay, so we have car object. Let's cast it to C2. No.
No, not a pointer.
No, it's like this.
No, just
Dot.
put a dot. Yeah, yeah, dot.
Wait. What? What do you want?
No, it will not work.
Why?
Because, MP vehicle is not a pointer. Yeah, just dot.
No, I compiled it with dot already, but
Oh, okay.
wait, why? What? I have a bet. Okay, let me. Is it Visual Studio or I'm stupid? I don't understand. Auto C car. Okay, we have a C car, right? Now C car. We are fetching the vehicle from C car. It should be. Seriously, will it work now? Will it compile? What? It just didn't. What? How does it? I don't understand. Maybe I missed some bracket, but I don't know. Okay, let me.
But
What? Now it don't come. What? Wait, it just.
Did you pull my changes?
Yes. Now you will see. Now I'm just recompiling each time it either compiles or not, and it's it's running already. Yes, it's running already. It's weird.
Okay.
This is weird. Okay, I'm gonna try to create a vehicle and I will be able to see my current vehicle position. Will I? I mean, not position, but speed. Yes. It works. And it looks like, yeah, it works. Oh. Nice, very nice. Oops, I killed someone. Sorry. That's great news. Z speed. Oh, Z speed also changes. Yes, very nice. Okay, beautiful. Now we have speed. What does this sound? Sounds like someone is stealing something, or I don't know.
I was just checking if it was my sound.
If it was what your what?
Yeah, I was just hunting a little packet of chips.
Ah, I see. Okay. Okay. Speed set. Ready. Now, if we'll just apply it. And how do we apply? Do we just call set speed and set
Yes.
speed? We don't have speed float. Do we apply it on the vehicle, right? Then I guess.
Yeah, but I'm not sure we have the set vehicle speed vec.
No, we don't. Well, okay. We don't have a set speed.
Yeah, just a second. I will push it. Okay. So where? Set speed. Speed.
Yes, I do speak Russian.
I am not.
Tilder doesn't speak Russian. Yes, Tilder speaks French.
Yeah.
And German, I guess, a little.
Je parle français. Yeah.
Cool,
Ich
right?
spreche Deutsch.
It's I guess my first international team that I'm. It's actually very cool.
Okay. Oh fuck. Before I commit, just try to add by yourself and see if it works.
Okay. Give me.
Don't want to make it.
Okay. It's in vehicle or in
Yeah, it's C vehicle.
Okay. CV vehicle. Wait, it's old. Let's try. What is one at the end? What is this one?
I don't know, but the game is doing like this.
Okay.
I think it's not. Yeah, it's used, but I don't. Set speed. Vec.
Car stream speed. Okay. Yeah, should be fine.
Yeah.
Now the moment of truth. Oh wait, I have server running already. Gonna close. Now start. Okay. Let's connect. Spawn car. Oh.
Yeah, if not crashing when you spawn the car, it may.
No, I fucked up something. That's for sure. I did something bad. Oh yes, I know what. I didn't recompile the server and it has old size of the packet. That's what. Well, life happens.
Yeah, shit.
Okay, now let's try.
So is it you and is it?
No, it's whoa. Oh, it's falling like a snow. I mean, you'll see this. It's because of I'm actually setting the. Well, it's cool. That's cool. Let's see. Let me see. Oh no! Yes. What? Is it spinning? Oh, wheels are spinning. Oh yes, wheels are spinning. No, it has some weird offset, I guess, because it's also rotating wheels, which it's not supposed to. You know,
No.
like wheels are constantly rotated, and they are not supposed to be rotated.
Oh, I see.
So it's like, I don't know why. Maybe this one is actually a wheel rotation. That's weird.
Yeah.
It looks funny. I'm turning the right direction, but having wheels turn to the left. It's good. But now
Okay,
wheels
but-
are even turn like going backwards. Nice. It works.
Okay,
It works.
I'm back.
Hello.
What works?
The speed. This vector speed actually turns
Is correct?
rotates the wheel, but for some reason we like it has issue with fucking hell with oh, okay that wheel is turned to the left, like dead left, and I don't know why. Guess it's because of them. Looks funny.
And what are you doing? Are you just setting velocity or that speed or what?
Setting speed, yeah.
And the wheel is like weird, yeah.
It looks funny, yeah. It's stuck.
What's going on? And are you setting speed by writing to this offset or by calling a function?
No. Tilder made a method that is calling the function. So yeah.
Okay.
Oh no, I have this ugly black lines.
Sounds cool.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no, I died. Both
And the
pads
wheel
died.
and the vehicle RPMs are synced when you're setting speed.
Wheels. Yeah. I mean, I don't know about the engine itself, but wheels, yeah. Well, most likely engine is too. I just don't hear the sounds, you know. I don't know why, by the way. I shouldn't.
So what's the problem with the wheel rotation?
I don't know.
Can you set the wheel rotation just after calling the...
Actually, I can try just to set the I can just try to set the current volume without calling the method by just setting the M v,
Yeah.
v speed.
But the method is doing a lot of things, like handling the deformation and the motor
Yeah.
speed.
Well, I guess it won't be making any turns. I mean, not turns, but not gonna spin wheels. But I just wanna check how it will work, like So I'm gonna try.
Also, the correct name for the method is not speed vector, just set speed. So we have some name mismatch. I will fix it.
Oh, okay. Okay, wheels are still turned to the left.
What the fuck is one?
And I'm just setting the vector itself, like I'm not doing anything else. I'm not calling the method, but wheels are turned. Looks funny. And are they spinning? I guess not. No, they are not spinning. But yeah.
But it's kind of weird.
Yeah.
Why? What is like velocity, with the fucking wheel rotation?
I don't know. Maybe
Well,
maybe
I
offset.
can look
Maybe
inside
offset.
the method.
Some. Yeah. Well, it's not even method, I'm just setting the volume directly to the
But
vector.
the wheels are not, for now.
It's like I don't know. Maybe it's like wheels are this rotation. Changing this rotation actually changes wheel rotation too, because of some shared memory or what?
Yeah, just make a try. Disable the speed applying and see if the steer rotation still working, because I may have fucked up something in the offsets.
To do what?
Yeah, just disable the speed applying
This
and try again.
Aha.
If the steer rotation is still
Yeah.
working, because when adding the new offset, I may have fucked up something
Oh.
with the pad. With the
Yes,
pads.
memory alignment is not correct, and it will override some other
Yeah.
memory region.
So I should just
Disable setting. Yeah, we will see.
Yeah.
and I guess I will disable. Okay. Never mind. Pro.
Yeah, like this, it's fine.
Yeah, I already launched the game. Yeah. No, yeah, it's fucked up. It's already turned to the side,
Okay, so you can, for temporary solution, just write by the offset as I did in the chat, as you can see. You don't have to modify the structure for now
Yeah.
if you can calculate the right values.
Okay, I mean, I can try.
You can
But
replace
this stuff is already fucked. Yeah, I will just. But steer is fucked. Basically, speed works fine, but steering is slight. Yes. Well. Did you? Maybe you just forgot to subtract the.
No, I did, but you can double check the values on the right.
Oh, it's hard. I don't like this stuff. It's, I will just assume that it's almost right, but it has some weird stuff. Also, when you do this recalculation, do you remake all these values too? Like rewrite all of them. If you move, for example, if you understand, if you just realize that you have a weird structure, you move all these messages too. Like,
Oh yeah, I correct everything.
oh shit, that's hard. I mean, I'm not
Yeah.
super fast at converting.
Maybe
Hex
I should
into
write some kind of JavaScript tool, for auto
Yeah,
computing the offset. It wouldn't be so, shabby to have something
yeah,
like
sure.
Yeah.
that. Just
Well,
put data type and it knows how big it is. And
fuck. Okay. I don't want to fuck everything up because I'm not. I'm afraid I will. So I will just not touch it for now. But I guess I'm gonna finish the stream because I'm very hungry already, and I can say that we made a pretty good progress. I would say today. I mean,
Yeah,
so
nice
so
work today.
so thank you guys for participating, and thank you other guys for watching and asking questions. And yeah, I guess see you
I
next
can do
time.
great again.
Yeah.